What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video, I'll be going over the best giveaway apps for your Shopify store. These apps are all going to enable you to create giveaways so you can start creating viral marketing events to help increase traffic to your site. For each of these apps, I'll be going over their pricing, the reviews, the UI, and their features, so you can decide which app is best for your store, as any of these apps here, depending which one you pick, are going to be the best way for your store to do a giveaway in the least amount of time. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator that lets you do your profit calculations in just one click. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. You can understand how your store is truly performing. You're also going to get a ton of other detailed metrics to give you more insights into your business. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial. You can test drive everything for yourself, and I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into our first app now. Now it's going to be Viral Sweep giveaways, allow you to create custom professional looking contests and giveaways quickly with their easy page builder. So you can launch a variety of promotions to help you boost your sales and grow your email and SMS list, which is going to be great so you can then contact customers at a later period. So you can run different types of contests. You can have sweepstakes, we can give away prizes. You can have contests where you're collecting photos and videos. You can have instant wins, milestones for referring friends, Shopify purchases to track and award points for each sale. So quite a few features in this app here. So again, this is going to allow you to target more leads and then contact them at a later date. Because of that, it's going to integrate with different apps. You can see Klaviyo for email, Zapier, MailChimp, Salesforce, and HubSpot. They're also going to have built-in analytics so you can track the impact of your campaigns. This app does have a 7-day free trial, but it is going to be the more expensive end in terms of how much Shopify apps usually cost. It'll start at $49 a month. We can get quite a few features here, but purchases are going to be limited to 100 orders. And as you start to go up to the $199 and $399 month plan, you get more featured here, such as white labeling, get more purchases for your orders, and multiple languages. In terms of reviews, this app has excellent reviews at 4.9 stars with 143 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at our next app here. This one's going to be at a much lower price point. It's called Social Boost Giveaway Contest. Again, you're going to be able to do giveaways, referral marketing, instant wins, sweepstakes, post-purchase, as well as contests. You're going to have different templates as well, depending on the season. We can see a Halloween template as well as holiday template. So again, you're going to encourage customers to create entries through tweeting, participating, and sharing as well. You're going to get awesome refer a friend features as well. You can launch different giveaways on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In terms of pricing for this app here, there is a free plan with up to 50 users, and you can get all features included. And as you start to go up in price, you can get more users for your giveaways. In terms of reviews, this has an excellent 4.8 stars with 103 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Giveaway Ninja. So you can grow your business with viral giveaways, contests, and sweepstakes. So again, you can create your giveaway pages with an intuitive editor here. As you can see, you get quite a bit of customization on font styles, logos, backgrounds, and more. You can also have post-purchase based giveaways here. So when a customer buys products, they can earn entries to win something. And in terms of entry actions, we can see they have very similar ones here for view Facebook post, view Instagram, watch a video, tweet a friend, refer a friend, and so on. You're gonna have quite a few pre-built templates, such as refer a friend, grow your Instagram profile, starter plans, grow your Facebook page, and so on. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 64 5-star reviews. Lastly, let's take a look at Sweep Widget Giveaway Contest. So again, you can create highly viral campaigns here to help give away products and collect emails. It's a one-click embed into your Shopify store. You can get custom theming and styling, and you get 30 plus social platforms and 90 plus entry modes here. Give you quite a bit of options on what types of entries you're looking for and which profiles you're trying to grow. It also has 30 plus API integrations here. We can see MailChimp, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, Google Analytics, and Zapier. There's also advanced fraud protection to stop cheaters from gaining quite a few entries. You can also track and manage your user data all within the app as well. So they claim you can set this up in under 3 minutes. It's super easy to set these up. And there is a free plan here with unlimited entries, and you can embed it in your Shopify store. You also get unlimited campaigns, but you're going to get basic social media actions. Pretty awesome there, as that is completely free. As you start to move up in paid plans, you get more features here, such as FB Pixel, custom styling, Google Analytics, 19 plus CRM integrations. You can get more features as you move up, and the most expensive plan is going to be $99 a month. You actually can't remove the sweep widget branding until you hit that point. In terms of reviews, it only has 4 reviews, but it has a perfect 5 stars at the time of recording, as this app was only launched in May 30th, 2022. This is going to conclude the video here on the best giveaway apps. I went over 4 different apps in the video. Let me know in the comments what you think of these apps, or if any additional apps should have been included. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to let you skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business, as you'll save so much time doing your profit calculations. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.